If you want to add event to calendar on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the calendar app, which you should be able to find, for example, in the app drawer. Once you open the calendar, we can press this plus in the bottom right corner and then we can choose event. Over here we can set up the name. We can also choose whether it is actually an event, task or birthday. You can set this whole event to last the whole day, or you can choose the specific time when it begins and when it ends, as well as the date as well, of course. You can also choose the time zone and some other things, such as whether the event repeats, if you want to include someone in the event in the calendar, then of course you can add people here. You can add video conferencing, we can add location, we can manage notifications, because by default we are informed about the upcoming event 30 minutes before it happens, before it starts. But you can also press add notification in order to add even a custom notification, and of course you can remove notifications by using this X. We can also pick up a color, add description, and add Google Drive attachments. And that's pretty much it. After we are done with setting up the details, we can press save in the top right corner, and there we go, we have our event ready. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!